In this example, we will be completing the square to find the vertex. To find the vertex, you need to use the vertex. We're going to complete the square. So remember that to complete the square, it means you take b, whatever the b value is, divide it by 2, and then square it. So let's do that. Let's identify our b in our problem. So here we have ax squared plus bx plus c. And we see that b is 6. So we're going to take 6, we're going to divide it by 2, we're going to get 3. Then we are going to square it, and 3 squared is 9. So now to complete the square, we take our original problem, b squared plus 6b, we're going to leave a space, minus 58 equals 0. Actually, I need 2 spaces. And that space is going to come after what we just got done writing. So we're going to put a space after negative 58. So it's going to be then something equals 0. So because this is on the same side of the equal sign, we're going to take this 9 that we found, I'm going to add it here, and I'm going to minus it here. Since we're on the same side, we have to do the opposite. Plus 9 minus 9 is 0, so technically we're keeping this equation equal because we're adding 0 to both sides, plus 9 minus 9. But now what we can do is we can factor this trinomial right there. It's pretty easy to do. From the pattern, we take the b term, the squared term, and then we take this term right here, and it goes right here, as well as its sign. It's positive 3, so positive 3. So then we squared. And that part is squared, so it's b plus 3 squared. If we multiply that out, we'll get b squared plus 6b plus 9. So we complete the outside. Negative 58 minus 9 is negative 67. So now I know my vertex, I now know my vertex because this is now in vertex form. My vertex is the opposite of this. Okay, because remember vertex is x minus h. And here's h. Well, negative h is positive 3, so switch the signs, and h is negative 3. And our k is this value right there, negative 67. So there's our vertex for this problem.